Hey guys, what's good? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to run Facebook ads for free. Yeah, absolutely free. You don't need to spend a dime to do the Facebook ads, and it's going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Now I'll teach you how you can run Facebook ads for free, target your audience. Maybe it's a weight loss product you're trying to promote or other type of product. I'm going to teach you how you can do it. But before we get into this video, I'll just mention some things right here that you will need a new Facebook account to do what we're about to do. You shouldn't use your normal Facebook account. You create a new Facebook account so that we should know what we are doing. Like you use the new Facebook account mainly for advertising. So that's what I'm trying to say right here. So I'm going to pretend this is a new Facebook account. This is my Facebook account actually, but I'm going to pretend it's a new Facebook account, and I'm going to show you how you're going to do it. Once you've created a new Facebook account, what you're going to do, now, for instance, let's assume in this video I'm trying to promote a weight loss product. Now you're going to go to Facebook search bar, search for weight loss. Like I've said, you need a new Facebook account to do this stuff in order for it to work perfectly. Now you're going to click on this weight loss group here. You're going to open tons of weight loss group right here. Now what you're going to do now, after you've clicked on the weight loss group, you're going to hit on members right here. Now since you know we are targeting people who want to lose weight, so what you're going to do right here with a new Facebook account, once you've head over to the what's it called, the Facebook group, you're going to add all these people who just joined the groups as friends. Like only people who are new to the group, you're going to add them as friend. You're going to add, like this one, he says he joined about an hour ago. You're going to add him or her as a friend. You're going to add all of them as a friend, but make sure you do it diligently. Don't just make sure you do it with sense. Don't just go ahead and click add, because people are going to block your account. You can add 10 friends, wait for some minutes, add another 10 friends, wait for some minutes, add another 10 friends. So what I'm trying to say is that those people that are your friends on the new Facebook account are people who are trying to lose weight. Yeah, those people are friends in your Facebook account. You know that they're people who are trying to lose weight. So you're going to add all of them as friends. All of them, those that are joining the group newly, you're going to add all of them as friends. You go to head over to the other group. You head over to the second group. Head over to the people that are in the group. The people right here. While it's loading, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That's what we do in this channel, where I will give tips and tricks on how you can make money online and do stuff like this. So don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you for doing that. Let's continue. I don't know why this is popping up right here on my screen. Okay, now you're going to head over to the second group, and note, only add people that are joining the group newly. Like this one, he joined 40 minutes ago. You're going to add him as a friend. This joined 59 minutes ago. You add him as a friend. You add this as a friend. You head over to the next group. Head over to the next group. Head over to the next group. Then you go to the members area. Yeah. Then you head over to people who are new to the group. You add as friend, add friend. Make sure you add friends. Maybe they've gotten up to 1,000. You add as much as you can. So now, after you've added all of them as a friend, now you know people who are on your friend list are people who are trying to lose weight, because you got them from a weight loss group. And someone who does not want to lose weight wouldn't just go and join a weight loss group. Like, there are people who want to lose weight, so you add them as friends. If you're someone who is targeting people that want to make money online, you can search for the keyword make money online. Make money online. Money online. Sorry for typing. I'm actually using one hand to type. Now you to make money online, and head over to the groups, as much groups as you can. Hit on the groups. Head over to the members area. Now those that are new to the group, those are new to the group, you add as friend. As you can see, it's saying new to the group, you add as friend. Make sure you don't target too niche on one Facebook account. You can create a separate Facebook account for weight loss, people are trying to lose weight, and you can create a separate account for people who are trying to make money online. So you can get two separate niche on different Facebook accounts, so you can know what you are doing and target your specific audience. Now you add as friends, and once you add enough people as friends, you can then head over to a Facebook post and post. You can then post your product. Like, you can post a picture of your product, add some write-ups, and you know people who are going to see your post are people who are trying to lose weight, because yes, you got them from a weight loss group. You get what I'm saying right now? You got them from a weight loss group, and all those you got from weight loss group are your friends. So once you post, they're going to see your post, and they're likely trying to click your link and go get the product, and you earn money for yourself because you are targeting the right audience. And yeah, and if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section below, or if you don't understand, you can ask your questions, or if you have any suggestion, you can ask any questions in the comment section below. I'll be very, very happy and quick to answer you. Yeah, and that will be it for this video. Actually, I just want to show you guys these tips and tricks which you can use to run Facebook adverts for free. You're like practically running Facebook adverts for free, because you are targeting people who are trying to lose weight, or you're targeting people who are trying to make money online, or any sort of thing. You can target people who need a certain software by heading over to the Facebook group, type a keyword related to the group, add them as friend. Then once they've accepted your friend request, most of them are going to accept your friend request, most of them are not, but the amount of people that are going to accept your friend request is going to be more than people that are not. So once they've accepted your friend request, you can then head over and then post, and you rest assured that your posts are displayed to people, displayed to your targeted audience. Yeah, that is the word, displayed to your targeted audience. So yeah, that will be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to this channel and turn on post notification. Yeah, and I will see my next video. Let's go.